Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can adjust or decrease or increase ringtone volume and other volumes in my phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to sound and vibration. Go to sound and vibration. Here you will have the option to control ringtone volume and other volume. The second option is ringtone volume. If you want to increase ringtone volume, you got to move the cursor to the right side. If you want to decrease the ringtone, you got to move the cursor to the left side. If you keep on leftmost side, there is no sound, very small sound is selected, or minimum no sound is selected now. Okay, if you go on increasing like this, if you go on moving to right side, then it will increase. This is very large. Okay, maximum volume is on the right side, rightmost side. Okay, in a similar way you can control other volumes. Okay, for example, if you want to adjust media volume, yes, you can do it. Okay, using this bar. Okay, just you can track to the right side or left side. If you move to the right side, media volume will increase. If you move to the left side, media volume will be decreased. Then notification volume. This is similar to what I have explained earlier. If you move to the right side, notification volume will be increased. If you move to the left side, notification volume will be decreased. Okay. In a similar way, alarm volume. Just you can track to the left side or right side. Okay. Alternatively, you can use the button. On the right side, you will have the volume button. This is volume up button, this is volume down button. If you press any one, you will see volume to control here. Okay, see here. This is the media volume. Okay, see here. By default, media volume is selected. Okay, if you press on volume up button, it will increase. If you press volume down button, it will decrease. Okay. Also, you can bring other control here. Okay, after pressing volume up button or volume down button, you can click here and it will show all other volumes. Okay, this is alarm volume. Then this is notification volume. But here, what is the difference? Here the preview will not be shown. That is, if you select this much volume, that volume will not be playable here. Okay, it will not be hearable. See here, ringtone. This is media volume. Okay, and this is ringtone volume. So in this way, you can easily control ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.